I wanted to be a politician or an actor.
I would have been a big disaster. I don't know.
The customer from the fourth floor is shouting, "Hame nahi lena."
Welcome to our new podcast series, Top of the Game. This podcast series is dedicated to celebrating, engaging, and learning from the stories of some of the most distinguished and top professionals from Indian insurance industry.
Let me tell you how this journey started.
What is the mantra to stay on top of the game?
I have a very aggressive approach to it. I'm made for this profession.
We will do a rapid fire.
I'm a financial coach now. My job is to design a portfolio which is for wealth creation.
Think कि कस्टमर का पैसा कैसे ग्रो करें.
Two top professional advisors from the Indian insurance industry.
That gives a kick. That gives a kick. कितने लोग होते हैं जिनको ये मौका मिलता है.
There was a gentleman who came from US, taught us never leave an appointment without an appointment.
Insurance is one of those professions where AI cannot work for long.
So how many times you have done MDRT?
So I have done 17.
So I'll tell you, MDRT, to be more precise, is an international forum which recognizes the top professionals, 1% as Rajan said, of the professionals across the globe. Once you attend the MDRT, then there is no looking back. I was asked to be a speaker on that forum. I still remember my CEO, respected Mr. Rajesh Sood, applauding me.
I think that's a very, very nice point.
बोलने में और करने में बहुत बड़ा फर्क है. Overnight, my business was shut. I don't know what to do. When you are financially broke, your confidence goes for a toss.
So, these small little things in life.
Yeah.
Trust is very, very important.
You started your journey as an independent professional. You are now building an organization, taking your business to next level.
I didn't know I will be that good. My dreams have a very funny way of becoming
Coming
true,
true.
and they actually become true.